Junction, I'm Celintia, and I'm featuring a bold and refreshing dessert from California Cooks, a cookbook first published in 1970. Written by home economists Rowena McLean Marks and Betty McDermott, the cookbook celebrates California's regional flavors, mixing beach town likeness with immigrant influences and fresh produce. This recipe is called ginger ice cream. Ice cream has a long global history. Early forms date back to Persia 2000 BC, followed by snow-sweetened treats in ancient China and Rome. It became popular in Italy during the Renaissance, and hand-crank freezers arrived in America by the mid-1800s. By the late 1800s, ice cream was no longer a luxury. Street vendors and carts served scoops to the working class, and hand-crank churns became household staples, making home ice cream an accessible dream. Americans eat an average of 20 pounds of ice cream per person each year. That's about 4 gallons per person. It's in this lineage that California Cooks features its ginger ice cream. According to the authors, it was a treat walking in Chinatown eating ginger ice cream on a cone. The recipe calls for uncooked eggs, but I've updated it with a cooked custard for safety and a smoother texture. And of course, I'm using an electric ice cream maker. No hand cranks for me. We're making a half gallon of this ginger ice cream, so we'll need to cook first on a stove top 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll whisk in 2 cups of whole milk. Cook this mixture the same as you would a custard on medium heat. Like any custard, you don't want to boil it. Just cook it enough to coat the back of a spoon. Remove from heat and add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have to chill the mixture, so I'm placing it in a bowl to cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours or overnight. Once chilled, whisk in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Then add 1/4 cup of finely chopped crystallized ginger. Add to ice cream maker and follow directions according to the machine's instructions. If you like soft serve, then it's ready, but I like it to solidify longer, so I'm placing mine in another container. I'm covering it, and then I'll put it in the back of the freezer for a few hours. It's best if overnight. So what do you get? A classic twist from ancient snow treats to California's coastal kitchens. This ginger ice cream embraces centuries of frozen dream evolution, one spicy, creamy scoop at a time. Next time, more ice cream, but this time I have to fry it. This should be interesting. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes, cookbook glances, and recipes. See you next time.